Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling assets and opening a fresh Capcut project so you can control timing. Import your background, Google logo, a transparent search bar, typed search text, and a cursor image. Then set the timeline to the desired aspect ratio. Once done, add the background and stack layers in this order: background, search bar, text, cursor. This ordering prevents accidental overlaps and makes animating predictable. Make sure to name layers so you can find them quickly when you animate. Now you animate the entry and typing to sell the Google search effect. First, scale the search bar from about 0, 8 to 1, 0 with an ease in over 0, 3 0, 5 seconds so it pops subtly. Next, reveal the query by animating a mask or clip width across the text area over roughly 1, 0, 1, 5 seconds to simulate typing. Stagger individual word masks if you want rhythm. Finally, animate the cursor with position keyframes that follow the reveal. To finish, add UI feedback and export settings so your animation reads clearly. Insert a click sound aligned to the cursor's click keyframe, then fade in the search results layer about 0, 15 0, 25 seconds after that click for believable timing. Once you've tuned easing with handles or the graph editor, preview several times and tweak frame placement. If you run into jitter or stuttering, snap keyframes to the frame grid, enable motion blur modestly, and re-render at 30 or 60 FPS before final export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.